everyone, get ready to be amazed by the radical transformation of the 2025 Bentley Continental GT by Mansory. Featuring an aggressive carbon body kit, large racing wheels, and a completely redesigned, ultra-luxurious interior, this car is no longer just a grand tourer. It's a high-performance work of art on the road. Mansory not only provided a striking visual touch, but also enhanced the engine performance, making this Continental GT even more ferocious. Brutal acceleration, a resounding exhaust note, and exclusive design make it a head-turner wherever it goes. Watch until the end to see the inside and out details, complete specifications, and why this Bentley by Mansory deserves to be on your dream car list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury car and extreme modification content.